Hello students, welcome to Luminary Academy, and today we'll be going through inequalities topic that is very important for checkpoint exams, and one or two questions generally comes every time in the checkpoint exams. So this is very important if we go through this, right? So it will be very beneficial for the checkpoint student. So now I'm starting the topic in just 2 minutes so that everyone can join, right? So okay, now just wait. Let's wait for a few students to come. Okay, so today we'll be starting the basics of inequalities. I hope that this class will be helpful to all, and this will give you a brief idea how to solve inequalities in your coming checkpoint exams in April, right? So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then we'll start the class. Okay. We are waiting for the students. Okay. Hello students, yes. Now, where is my specs? Just 1 minute. So we'll be starting the class now. So in this inequalities, what is the basic thing which we can learn first? So basics of inequalities, I will start first. So in the basics of inequalities, you should know some signs, right? So if you see some signs, it is like less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Sorry, there's just one sign. So that should be, so it should greater than equal to, and equal to, and not equal to. So this is means not equal to. This means equal to sign. This you already know. We generally considered this this side of the inequalities. So we need to look about the left hand sides, right? So this left side we need to look. So there are two symbols, so that means it is greater than, equal to, greater than, or equal to. Either a thing can be greater or equal. So if I write x is greater than equal to 2, that means या तो वो 2 से बड़ा है x, या फिर वो 2 के बराबर है. So there can be two cases. So that's why we write or here. Okay, so it is, sorry, less than or equal to, right? And this means that if something is less than equal to 5, that means that there can be two cases. Either it is less than 5 or it is equal to 5, right? Now this means greater than sign, greater than sign, and this means less than sign, right? Less than sign. Now here what we generally do here is basically for these two signs we put these type of symbols like this, right? And for this sign we put these type of symbols. So this is basically for greater than or less than equal to, and this sign is for greater than or less than, right? So this is how we need to solve. Now let's start the first question. Show each of these solution set on a number line. So if we see on a number line, generally x is greater than 3. So if we make a number line here, right, if we make a number line here, this will be just 1 minute. So if we make a number line, so it will be something like this. Okay, so this is a number line, and this is 0, this is -1, -2, and this will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, and we can consider it 5. Now x is, this means that x is greater than this signs implies that x is greater than what, than 3. So x is greater. So now, and because of this symbol, whenever there are these type of symbols, we use this sign, and whenever there are these type of symbol, we use this type of sign. So for this, because it is this type of symbol, so we'll use this sign, and because x is greater than 3, so we'll write this, the sign will be this, right? So this is how we solve. Now if you want to solve for d part, I'm solving. So what we'll do the same, we'll make a same number line like this, right? And what we'll do generally, we'll make a number line of 5. So it is 5, 10, 15, and we require a negative term, so that is negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, and then we can write negative 20. We can extend the line, negative 25. Now this is saying that x is greater than minus 20. Now greater than minus 20 means that, it is this symbol. Okay, we'll make a dark. Oh, ये तो दिल्ली बन रहा है. Just one minute. ये automatic बनाया, अब मैंने नहीं बनाया, ये अपने आप बनाया. So we need to erase this. So it is negative 20. So we'll make this sign, right? And then it is x is greater than minus 20. Now if we go to this direction, then it is greater, because minus 20, minus 15, then 10, then minus 5, then 0, then 5, 10, 15. So that in that case, we'll have to go to this direction, right? So this is greater than what? This is greater than minus 20, right? Now I want you to solve this part, E part, then I will draw. I'm giving you 5 minutes to 1 or 2 minutes so that you can solve, and then I'll just start. I will tell you how to draw this, right? So this is how we need to do. I'm waiting for a response. You can just give it a try, then I will do. So I'm giving you 1 minute for this, and then I will start, right? Okay, so give it a try so that you can have an idea how to solve these type of equations, right? I'm giving you time to solve. Okay. Now just give it a try if you want, otherwise you will not have an idea like how to solve these type of questions. So please give it a try. Okay. So if we see this, what we do generally here, is to draw these type of number line. What we do generally, we write it like this. We'll make a number line like this, and then because the value is x should be greater than 0 and less than equal to 7. So what we generally do, so we are drawing this number line here. So basically it is 0, then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So your number line should be greater than 0 and less than equal to 7. Now for less than equal to, you know that we'll use this sign. For this we use this sign, and for if you go through this, we'll use this sign for this, right? So in that case, we will draw x like this and 7 like this, and that way, so we can join them together like this. So this is our how to solve inequality on a number line. So this is our answer, right? So this is our answer. You got the idea. Now let's solve this type of inequalities. To solve this type of inequalities, what we generally do. Hi Harsh, how are you? I can see you. Yes, please study and do not make any unnecessary comments. Okay, now solve the inequalities. Here we are solving these type of inequalities. So first, in this case, I'm solving a part. In the a part, generally what we do, it is minus 3x less than 12. Now if we want to solve this, what we generally do, we do not shift here and there. We generally, basically what we do is we write divide, because we want to eliminate this 3. See, every time whatever is the coefficient of x, you need to eliminate that. Coefficient of x means x के साथ जो भी उसको हटाना है. So we'll divide both side by okay, just wait. So we'll divide both side by minus 3. Okay, why minus 3? Because if we'll not divide by minus 3, then it will be a problem. So minus 3x is less than equal to 12. So minus 3, and this will be minus 3, so that I can eliminate this minus 3. So minus 3 and minus 3 cancel, and then 3 times 1 and 3 times 4. So now this minus will go to the numerator. So x should be less than equal to minus 4. Sorry, not less than equal to, x should be less than 4, right? So here, if we want to draw the number line, what we generally do is we'll make a number line like this. We'll make 0 here, 1, 2, because we want a negative side greater, so it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now minus 4, x is less than minus 4, so we'll make this type of sign and we'll send the arrow this side. Why this side? There is a reason, because x is smaller than minus 4. So if x is smaller than minus 4, we'll send the inequalities to the direction of the inequalities to the smaller side. So this is your answer. Done. Now let's solve the e part. E part is somewhat difficult, so you can go through this e part right here. So in the e part, it is written that 21 minus 3x is greater than x plus 5. Done. So 21 minus 3x is greater than x plus 5. What we generally do is, now see, there are 2x, 3x and x here. So I want to eliminate either any one side of the x. So I can eliminating this x is more easy. So I will write here, rest everything will be same. So what I will be doing is, हम बच्चों यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, इसको x को हटा देंगे ताकि यहाँ पर 3x हो, या फिर तुम इस x को भी हटा सकते हो depending on the choice. So I am eliminating, if you want I can eliminate this also. So if you want I can eliminate minus 3 also. So for that we need to write add 3x both sides. Now why I am adding, I'll show you like why I am adding this. See, because if I write 21 minus 3x, then if I add 3x, so I will write add 3x that is greater than x, then again I will add 3x and then again 5. Okay, so by that way I can cut this positive 3x and a negative 3x. So that will be easy for us, so that only 21 will be left on the left hand side. So LHS side only 21 is left, that is greater than what? 3x plus x will be equal to 4x and then plus 5. So it is quite easy. I hope you understood. So now what I did is minus 3 को हमने plus 3 से काट दिया ताकि ये दोनों eliminate हो जाए. So by that way we eliminated this. So this is only 21 left. So I wrote 21 here. And now here if I added 3x, because we need to add both sides. So 3x plus x will be 4x, and then this 5 will become as it is 5. Now because I want to eliminate this 5, hello Puranjay, hi. So we are doing inequalities today. So we have half of the, like 15 minutes is already gone, but still you can continue with this. So now 21 is greater than 4x plus 5. Now I want to eliminate this 5. To eliminate this 5, I will subtract 5 both sides. Subtract 5 both sides. By that way it will be easy for you to eliminate 5, right, for both sides. So subtract 5 both sides. यहाँ पर आपको साइन को चेंज करना नहीं पड़ेगा, सो कभी इसमें इनइक्वालिटीज में आंसर गलत नहीं आएगा. बाय दिस मेथड, देयर आर अदर मेथड, यू कैन शिफ्ट 5 टू दिस साइड एंड ऑल, बट दैट मेथड विल obviously there are sometimes the change of sign, so it will create a problem. So by subtracting 5 both side, what generally happens is 21 minus 5. Okay, I'll write it again. This is not looking good. So I will write 21 minus 5 because we need to subtract, which is greater than 4x, and then plus 5, and then again minus 5. By this way, what we generally do is we can eliminate this positive 5 and negative 5. So this is eliminated. Now what is left? 21 minus 5 is greater than 4x. So 21 minus 5 will be equal to how much? 16. 16 is greater than 4x. Easy. So what I did, I will explain you again. Okay. What I did here was, yes, I will repeat. Don't worry. I will repeat all the questions. Don't worry. We have so lot of questions today. So we have this type of questions, and then we have these type of questions. This is from your checkpoints point of view, and then we have other questions as well. So these type of questions are there. So don't worry, we have a lot of questions today. So we'll practice and then we'll just go through this. Now coming back to this, I'll explain you in the next part, next question. All the concepts are same, just in every question we need to apply some different type of tactics. Now, so it is 16 is greater than 4x. So I can divide it by 4 both sides. So divide by 4 both sides. So when both sides, if we divide by 4, what will happen? 16 is greater than 4x. If we divide by 4 and if we divide by 4 here, so 4 4s are 16 and 4 times 4 is 1. So what we'll be getting is 4 is greater than x. Now if you want to make on the number line, so what we'll do, we generally write 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is minus 1. Yes, it is very easy, but I have a difficult first question for you, Puranjay. Don't worry. I have some IGSE based questions. Don't worry. So x is less than 4. Now here for x is less than 4. So this is because of, you know that for these two signs we'll make these type of symbols, and for greater than and less than equal to sign we'll make these type of symbols, right? So it is easy. Now here x is less than 4. So that means we need to make arrow towards the left, lesser side. So the numbers which are less than 4 is left hand side. So that is how, yeah. So that is how we will basically make the number line. Now let's solve this type of question. Now Puranjay is saying there are easy questions. So Puranjay, give it a try. Not this one, this we already done. This is just misprint. We have printed it 2 times. So we can try the difficult questions one. Yeah. So we'll try this one. So those who are not in the class, no worries. You can again continue with the same because these are easy questions. Don't worry. The concepts are same for all the questions. Now here it is the first one, A part I am doing here. So 2a plus 4 is less than 15. So I just giving you time to just basically give it a try so that I can get the answers. So I'm giving you 1 minute to try. Puranjay, basically I have this writing pad. So by that way I can write properly. This is connected with the computer, and there is one pen here. You can see here. There's a pen. By that way I can write. So this is just a what we call writing pad, right? And this is of XP pen company, so that we can write properly. I'm not writing with the help of mouse. So I'm giving you time to just do A part. Sheila is Janak Kumari is saying that, I think Sheila is this, and she's saying that, sir, I think 3.5. No, 3.5 is the answer, but it is greater than A or less than 3.5, or A is less than 3.5, or A is greater than. You need to just tell the correct answer. Okay. So I didn't got any answer for the A part. So A is less than 3.5. Puranjay is saying that A is less than 3.5. Let's give it a try. So, okay, anyone who want to answer, any other student? Only Puranjay, Shilashya, Kushagra. Okay, Janak Kumari, Kushagra. Okay, Kushagra is saying is, I think 3.5. Okay, Puranjay has done B part also. Very good. Just wait. Now, what you can do is 2 into A you need to multiply. So it is 2A and then 2 into 4, that is positive 8, right? And then it is less than 15. Now what you can do is basically you can eliminate this 8 first. So subtract, you can write like this, subtract 8 both side. So by that way it will be 2a plus 8 minus 8 is less than 15 minus 8. Okay, so this will give you, this is cancelled and this will be 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 2a is less than 2a is less than 7. So divide by 2 both side. So I'm directly divide by 2 both side. So 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So the only thing left is a. So a should be less than 3.5. Very good, correct. Now if you want to make a number line, you can make a number line. What you can do is I can make a number line some other way. Okay, so I'm making a number line here. You can see, I hope you can see. So number line I'm making here. So this will be equal to 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5, and this is minus 1, minus 2. So a is less than 3.5. So I'm considering this as 3.5. So, oh sorry, we'll make this type of, and then less, because it is less than 3.5. So we'll make a this. Now let's do the B part. Then we'll do the D part directly. So B part is saying that 3, I'm doing the B part here, 3b. So just a minute. Just a minute, student, so that I can. Okay, so B part I'm doing it here. 3b minus 4 is greater than or equal to b plus 18, right? So what I can do is I can eliminate this b here, or I can eliminate this b. So if I want to eliminate this b, I will be writing subtract b both side, right? So subtract b both side, it will be 3b minus 4 and greater than or equal to b, and then minus b, because I need to subtract this b, and this is 18. So b and b I can subtract here, and 3b minus b is 2b. 2b minus 4 is greater than or equal to 18. Now what I can do is okay, yeah, Labdi is correct. Labdi is saying you have made the number line at 2.5. Okay, yes, this is absolutely right, Labdi. So you can make it at 3.5. This is 3.5. So you can correct it like this. Yes, Labdi, very good. Absolutely correct. By mistake it is, thank you for correcting. Now, here in this part, 2b minus 4 is greater than 18. So I need to eliminate 4 here. So add 4 both side. Add 4 both side. So if you add 4 both side, what you will do? Add 4 both side. In that case, you will write 2b minus 4 plus 4 less than or equal to 18 plus 4, right? So this can be cancelled. So I have eliminated now 4 also. Now 2b is greater than or equal to 22. Now this will give you the answer as b. Now you can divide 2 by both side. So you can divide 2 times 2 cancel, and 2 times 11, right? So this will become 11. So b is greater than or equal to 11. So this is easy now. So if you want to make number line, you can make a number line here. I'm making the number line like 0, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. In exam, in IG, in checkpoint exam, you will be the number line. I think most probably they will give you the number line. So it is, you don't need to make a number line in the exam. So this is 11. So now b is greater than 11. So b is greater than 11, but the sign will be like this, and then in this direction. Correct? Okay. So now Lekhansh, I think he has not joined today. Maybe he was telling that he was busy today. Anyway, so x is b is greater than 11. So this will be in this direction. So absolutely correct. Now let's see the D part who has done. So everyone, Puranjay has given the answer. D is greater than minus 27. Okay. So let's give it a try. He is telling that b is greater than. So I'm writing the question here for you all. So it is 3 bracket d plus 5. I hope you're doing in the copy so that you can get an idea how to solve, because once you will try only you will be able to solve, right? And then 2, then bracket d minus 6, right? Now to solve this inequalities, what you will do basically, so this type of question generally, now I have a question, tough question for the student who are saying that it is easy. Don't worry, I have questions for you from this IGCSE textbooks. So these are very difficult questions. I guess not this one, this one, yes, this one will do later in the last part. So we have only 5-10 minutes now, so I'm just finishing up this quickly. Now 3 times d, so for this type of question what we generally do, yeah, rough copy will work, don't worry. Yeah, so 3 times d is 3d, and 3 times 5 will be 15, and then it is greater than 2 times d is 2d, and 2 times minus 6 is minus 12, right? Now I want to eliminate this 2d. If I want to, then I will write subtract 2d both side. Okay, so some students will say that sir आप बार बार इसी को इस तरफ का ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो, आप इधर का क्यों नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो? सी, जहाँ पर कम वैल्यू होती है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने में ईजी रहता है. सो व्हाट आई फील, ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर मैं इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा 2d, तो यहाँ पर 3d माइनस 2d d आ जाएगा डायरेक्टली, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू मेक d एज अ सब्जेक्ट बेसिकली. सो दैट इज वाई आई एम डूइंग दिस. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट 2d both side will give you answer as 3d plus 15 is greater than 2d minus 12. Now I want to subtract 2d, so I will write minus 2d, and here also I will write minus 2d. Then now 3d minus 2d will give you as d plus 15, right? That is greater than, now 2d and 2d can be cancelled, so this will be minus 12. Now I want to eliminate this 15, so subtract 15 both side. अगर आपको बार बार लग रहा है मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट लिख रहा हूँ, यू कैन राइट ऐड ऑल्सो. यू कैन राइट द सेम स्टेटमेंट लाइक ऐड minus 15 both side. Both work, both thing can work. Adding minus 15 or subtracting 15 both side is the same thing. So add d plus 15 minus 15 is greater than minus 12 minus 15, right? So by that way, what will happen, this plus 15 and negative 15 will be cancelled out. So what is left is only d. Now d should be greater than, now you need to add this negative terms, this will become minus 27. So your answer is this. So your answer is d is greater than minus 27. This is from your learner's book. You can go through this from the exercise 4.3 inequalities, and you can get the questions also there, the same questions we are doing here. So this is easy for you to understand. Now if we go through, this is easy. Puranjay will tell then again, sir, it is an easy question. So let's go to the toughest part, and we will finish the class soon. So these are the questions. We'll do only any two. So you tell student which one should we do in the comment section. A, B, C, D. Any one we can try here so that it is easy to understand. All are same kind of questions. So I just want anyone's opinions that which question we should try. A, B, C, D. So that आपको ऐसा ना लगे that sir is choosing from his own side. I want you to do like any one question. Anyone who can comment in the comment box. Let's see. Nobody has commented yet. I'm waiting for your response. Yes. Kushagra, Puranjay, Labdi Singh, C and D. Okay, so let's give it a try, C and D. So let's give it a try, C and D. So let's try the C part first. This is the last two questions, then we'll end the class. Okay, so Puranjay solved only. Puranjay, you have solved A part, but we're doing C and D part. Solve. This is from the IGCSE textbook, not from basically grade 8 checkpoints. But this type of question may come in the exam. That's why I'm just going through this topic. So 12 is less than 8x minus 4 is less than 20, right? So this is the question. Now there are three sides. Now in the middle, we want only x. So we need to eliminate this at 8 also, and we need to eliminate this minus 4 also. So first of all, we'll add 4 all sides. All side means all three sides. All sides, right? So 12 plus 4 should be less than 8x minus 4, then I will add plus 4, sorry, then I will add 20 plus 4, done. So now by that way, minus 4 and plus 4 can be eliminated. So the only thing left in this middle is 8x. Now 20 plus 4 is 24. Puranja is already solved. Let's see, he's saying that the answer is 1 is greater than 1, sorry, x is greater than 1 and less than equal to, which one you're solving, beta Puranjay? A part you solved. Okay, I want that you should solve the C part. Now 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 is 16, right? Now here, if I divide all the terms by 8, my problem will be solved because I want x as a subject. So divide, Puranjay is saying the answer of C part is 2 is greater than x and less than 3. Let's see. Now, so divide all the sides by 8. Okay, so if we do that, 16 divided by 8, then it is 8x, then it is 24, and then divide by 8 and divide by 8. So if we divide all the three sides, 8 times 1, 8 times 2. So it is 2, 8 and 8 cancel. So it is x, then 8 times 1 and 8 times 3. So it is 3. So very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. It is should be the x is greater than 2 and less than 3. So if you want to make a number line, we'll do like this. We'll write 0, 1, 2 and 3 and then again 4. Now our value lies between this, so that's why we'll not write x, but we'll make a column like this, and this will make a dot like this, because you already know that for these two signs we use this sign, and for these two signs we use this sign. So ये बिंदी जैसा साइन बनाना है. Done. Correct. So you got the answer. Now last final part, that is D part, will solve and then we'll end the class today. So I'm writing the D part. I'm just copying this D part. I can just copy it again and I can paste it here. Okay. So let's solve the D part here. Now if we solve the D part, okay, so Puranjay solved. Puranjay is saying that 7 is, x is greater than equal to 7 and less than 5. Let's see if the answer is correct or not. Now 15 is less than equal to 3 bracket x minus 3, x minus 2 and less than 9, right? Now in this type of question, what we generally do, either you can divide by 3 all the sides, so you can divide by 3 all sides. So उससे problem थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा. 15 divided by 3 less than equals to 3 bracket x minus 2 को whole divided by 3, and this will be 9 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 can be cancelled. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. So 5 is less than equal to x minus 2, and then 3 times 1 and 3 times 3. So this is less than 3. Now I want to eliminate minus 2. So add minus 2 all sides. Sorry, add 2 only, right? 2. Add 2 all sides. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Currently we are doing this. So add 2 all sides. So we'll write 5. Then we'll write plus 2 is less than equal to x minus 2 plus 2. And then we'll write 3 plus 2, right? So this will be easy. So in that case, what we'll do, we'll eliminate minus 2 and plus 2. So by that way, you will get x should be, and 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So let's see what Puranjay has answered. He has answered that 7, and this absolutely correct, Puranjay. Your answer is absolutely correct. So we got the answer. The answer is this. Now if you want to make a number line, I'm making for you number line. Although the line is not straight, but still we'll get the idea. Minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9 and 10 we can take. Now the answer of x lies between 5 and 7. So that means between this point to this point our answer lies. Now here the x is x should be less than, see what does this implies, x should be okay. So now here we cannot, I think we cannot make the number line. because x is less than 5. The value of x less than 5. So by this way, it will goes in this direction, and the value of x is greater than equal to, okay, something like this will happen here. Anyway, so this kind of because this is from IGCSE, so that this can be the case. So x value should be greater than 7 and should be less than 5. So yes, this can be the case for the IGCSE student. This may come, but not for the checkpoint exam. Yes, but we know the idea how to solve this type of question. I hope you got the idea of how to solve this type of questions. And if you have missed the starting class, I have taught this basic what we call how to what is the less than sign, greater than sign, less than equal to, and what type of symbol we use generally. And we have solved few of the question. You can go through the video again. So for the PDF, I will send you the PDF soon. Anyway, thank you for watching and keep watching. Tomorrow we'll have some class. I will just give the topic, what type of class we'll be having tomorrow. Okay, so you can, if you want, you can discuss, like you can send me the topics so that I can take the class of that particular topic. Okay, so have a great day. Good night. Puranjay, yes. Labdi, yes. Very good. Your answer is also correct. Yes, answer is correct. Very good. Bye, Labdi. Have a good night. And Puranjay, bye. All of you, Harsh and all who are watching. See you tomorrow. Good night. Take care.